Planning for next year's labor costs? ADP's reporting tools can turn historical payroll data into a powerful budget forecast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Use the Report or Analytics module. Look for pre-built reports like Payroll Summary by Department or Earnings Analysis. Filter them for the past year. Export this data to Excel. Analyze trends, overtime costs by season, average wage growth, benefit cost increases. Use these trends to project next year's costs, adding in planned raises or new hires. My crucial pro tip: factor in the employer tax and benefit burden. Your payroll budget isn't just wages. Make sure your forecast includes the employer's share of FICA, Medicare, SUI, and benefits costs, which can add 15 to 25% on top of gross wages. Transform payroll data from a record of the past into a plan for the future. What's the biggest variable in your annual payroll budget? Overtime or benefits inflation? For more strategic business planning guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.